Due to the corona pandemic, we have all experienced major changes in our lives in recent months, both adults and children. As parents, you may have experienced many different roles. You may have been a teacher, a parent, and a playmate. Had to comfort your children, give them advice, and help them with homework. It's not always easy. It can also be confusing for children. The changes in the situation can even be frightening for some children and youth who may get some of the information in the media, but not all of it. There's a lot of uncertainty surrounding the situation now, where we see that the infection is flaring up in some places, and we will still have to comply with rules to prevent spreading of infection for a long time to come. It is our responsibility as adults to explain to the children what is happening and reassure them when daily life is different from what they're used to. Save the Children has therefore developed some tips that can help you. Try to use your child's language when talking about the coronavirus and listen to their questions and concerns. Then give them answers to their questions that are easy to understand. Feel free to explain difficult terms that they have heard about but do not understand, such as quarantine or virus. Give the children information that helps to reassure them. For example, you could explain that the coronavirus can be serious for some, especially sick and elderly, but that very few children have become seriously ill with corona. Be open and honest about what is happening. Children often pick up what we adults are talking about and need us to talk to them about it and give them the right information. If you do not know the answer, be honest about it, and then come back to them later when you have an answer. Give the children hope and talk about what children themselves can do to stop the virus. We can all contribute in helping to stop the infection by keeping our distance and washing our hands often. But if someone gets infected, it is never the children's fault. And finally, ask for help if everyday life is challenging for you or your children. There are many people who can give you and your family support. You can contact your children's teacher, the nurse at the school or health center. You can also call the Föräldra Support helpline anonymously on 116-123. It is free, open 24 hours a day, and they speak a number of languages.